Imagine stepping into a city where every street corner tells a story, where centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with vibrant modern life. Welcome to Galway, Ireland's cultural heartbeat and a city that captivates visitors with its charm, history, and spirit. Nestled on the west coast of Ireland along the Atlantic Ocean, Galway is often called Ireland's most Irish city. Its roots stretch back over 1,000 years, and its story is one of resilience, creativity, and community. Originally a fishing village, Galway grew into a bustling port by the Middle Ages, serving as a gateway for traders and explorers. Its strategic location fostered commerce and cultural exchange, shaping a city rich in history and diversity. Walking through Galway's narrow, winding streets, you'll immediately feel the pulse of its lively atmosphere. The city's architecture reflects its storied past, from medieval walls and narrow alleys to colorful shopfronts and Georgian buildings. The Spanish Arch, built in the 16th century to protect the city from pirates, still stands as a testament to Galway's maritime history. Nearby, the Galway City Museum offers insights into the city's evolution, showcasing artifacts from prehistoric times through the modern era. Galway's cultural scene is legendary. It's often called Ireland's cultural capital because of its thriving arts, music, and festivals. The city hosts the internationally renowned Galway International Arts Festival every summer, attracting artists, performers, and visitors from around the globe. During this event, the streets come alive with theater, dance, visual arts, and street performances, transforming Galway into a vibrant open-air gallery. Music is woven into the fabric of Galway's identity. Traditional Irish sessions happen nightly in pubs across the city, where musicians gather to play lively jigs, reels, and ballads. The sound of a fiddle or tin whistle often drifts through the air, inviting both locals and visitors to join in. This musical heritage is celebrated every year during the Galway Folk Festival, which draws folk enthusiasts from all over. Galway's University, NUI Galway, is a hub of innovation and scholarship. It brings together students from diverse backgrounds, fostering a youthful energy that complements the city's historic charm. The university's campus is home to beautiful Gothic architecture and lively cafes, where ideas and creativity flourish. Beyond the city itself, Galway's surrounding landscapes are breathtaking. Just a short drive away is the Cliffs of Moher, one of Ireland's most iconic natural wonders. Standing atop these towering cliffs, you gaze out over the Atlantic, feeling the power of nature and the vastness of the ocean. The Burn, a unique karst landscape of limestone pavements and rare flora, offers a surreal experience for hikers and nature lovers. The Connemara region, with its rugged mountains, tranquil lakes, and traditional Irish villages, is another nearby treasure. Visitors can explore charming towns like Clifton, where local artisans sell handcrafted goods, and enjoy traditional Irish music sessions in cozy pubs. The area embodies the wild, unspoiled beauty that defines Western Ireland. Galway also boasts a thriving culinary scene. Fresh seafood, especially oysters and mussels, is a highlight, often served in waterfront restaurants. Local producers emphasize sustainability and farm-to-table practices, ensuring that visitors enjoy authentic flavors. The city's markets, such as the Galway market held on Saturdays, burst with colorful produce, baked goods, and artisanal crafts, offering a taste of local life. One cannot talk about Galway without mentioning its warm, welcoming people. Known for their friendliness and sense of humor, Galway residents take pride in their city and its traditions. Festivals like the Galway Races, a famous horse racing event held every summer, showcase the city's lively spirit. The races draw crowds from all over, dressed in colorful attire, enjoying music, dancing, and socializing. In recent years, Galway has become a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship, particularly in technology and creative industries. The city's supportive environment and scenic surroundings attract startups and digital nomads seeking inspiration. The burgeoning art scene is complemented by a vibrant nightlife, with pubs, live music venues, and theaters offering entertainment into the early hours. Finally, Galway's appeal lies in its blend of old and new. It's a city that respects its traditions while embracing progress. Whether you're exploring its historic sites, enjoying its lively festivals, or simply wandering its charming streets, you'll discover a place that feels both timeless and invigorating. So, as you consider traveling to Ireland, make sure to include Galway on your itinerary. Immerse yourself in its history, dance to its music, savor its cuisine, and experience the warmth of its people. Because Galway isn't just a city, it's an experience, a celebration of Irish culture and the enduring human spirit.